Hello dear students, Mahadev here. The standard 6th science subject you are looking at on display is periodic assessment test solution. The question first A is, in the below given process R and T indicates a process. Identify this process and indicate the type, reversible and non-reversible, by mentioning any single change involved in this process. आपको जो प्रोसेस है वो आपको पेपर में दिया गया है, यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट जवाब ही लिखा हुआ है. देन R is indicate that the demonstrates the condensation process. The T demonstrate the evaporation process. Question first B. Mention any two changes shown in the picture below and show their types. These questions carry 2 marks. First, explosion of fireworks, non-reversible. Or second one is evaporation from water, it's a reversible changes. Then question 2, do as directed, it carry 3 marks. A. Here is procedure for separation of substance. The first one is, which of the following method are used for separation of substances? Then C. Separate husk from grains in agriculture. Second question is, if the farmer does not have a fan available to use the above method, what other good option he has? The answer is B. Winnowing can be done in the direction of wind. Third question is, which of the following mixtures can be separated by using the filtration method? A. Water and iron filings. B. In the following situation, which method would you choose to separate the components of the mixture? These questions carry 2 marks. First one is to obtain solid form of salt dissolved in water. Answer क्या आएगा? Evaporation. The second question is to remove large pebbles from the sand. Answer आएगा sieve. Question third A, do as directed. First one is the root of plant can be used as food. Give an example. And the answer is radish and carrots. Second question is, the given figure show the plant stem as a two-way path. Explain what does this two-way path means. These questions carry 2 marks and the answer is a way for water and minerals absorbed by the root to reach every part of the plant. One way to get food prepared by a leaf to another part of the plant. Thus one way is to carry water and the other way is to carry food. B. Shahida took a white flower with a long stem and kept it in a half-filled cup of red-colored water all night as shown here. What changes will appear in the flower in the morning and why? This question also carry 2 marks. In the morning, the flower will appear red because the water is absorbed by the stem and goes to its part. Here the water is red in color and as the water enters the flower petals, it looks red. Question 4th A. Draw a simple diagram of flower and indicate the names of any 3 main parts of a flower. These questions carry 3 marks. आप यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं, यह फ्लावर का डायग्राम है और इसमें इसके पार्ट्स के भी नाम दिए गए हैं. आप इस वीडियो को पॉज करके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर देन B. Draw the diagram of a leaf and label it. These questions carry 2 marks. तो यहाँ पे भी आप दिख सकते हैं और वीडियो पॉज करके ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. After then question 5, answer the following question is directed. First one is, discuss with your mother, father or brother, sister and write about any 2 different types of changes that takes place in the cooking process in your kitchen. These questions carry 2 marks. First one is making bread from flour. The bread can be made from flour but flour cannot be obtained from bread. यानी कि जो आटा होता है उसमें से हम रोटी बना सकते हैं लेकिन रोटी में से हम फिर से आटा नहीं बना सकते. So making bread from flour is an irreversible change. Second one is picking vegetables. Improving vegetables divides them into smaller pieces. So pruning vegetables is a physical change. Second question is, which physical changes are seen around you other than the process of cooking? Make a list of reversible changes. Then hit the wax, pressing the rubber ball, picking the vegetables and making gold jewelry. Then reversible changes किस में होते हैं तो वो देखते हैं, hit the wax, pressing the rubber ball and making gold jewelry. So we hope you have understood the information we have provided. Thank you.